Hi students, let us continue with the traversal techniques, that is the three techniques that are the three traversal strategies that are used in the binary search tree. So in the previous video I explained about the Inorder, Preorder and the Postorder. Now let us see one by one. The first one is I'm taking the Inorder. So let me explain what is an Inorder and what is the algorithm for the Inorder. So here I am taking the example for Inorder. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so this is a graph or else it is a tree. So here this is one subtree, this is one subtree, and this is another subtree. So this you call it as a left, this is left, and this is right. Okay, and here this is root. Okay, so what is Inorder? Inorder means it has to visit, first it has to visit the left node, after that it has to visit the root node, after that it has to visit the right node. So that is the condition. First it has to visit left subtree, after that root, after that right. Okay, so starting from root, let's start from the root. So first visit the left subtree. The left subtree of A is B. Again for B, the subtree of left subtree of B is D. So first D, left subtree, coming to root, left after root is B, and for after root again visit right. Okay, now coming to A. So A left subtree, so coming to A left subtree is F here, root is C, and right is G. So this is how it visit one node after other by using Inorder technique. Then what is the algorithm for this? Let me write the algorithm for this Inorder. So until all nodes are traversal, you have to repeat the condition. So for every algorithm you have to note that until all nodes are traversed. Until all nodes are traversed. So the step 1, recursively traverse left subtree. So first you have to recursively travel. Here I already recursively travel. First I come to left subtree. Again I come to the left subtree. So this is recursively. You call it as a recursively. So recursively traverse left subtree. After that, step 2, visit root node. Okay. After that, the step 3. Step 3 is recursively traverse right subtree. So this is an algorithm for the Inorder. Now coming to the Preorder. So what is the technique for the Preorder? So second one is Preorder. So the conditions for Preorder is, first we have to visit the root node, after that we have to visit left and then right. Let me write the tree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, and here this is a subtree and this is another subtree, and this is 1, 2, 3. So first it has to visit the root node, after that left subtree, after that right subtree. Okay, so then what is the path? First it has to visit the root node. So A is the root node. So after that it comes to the left. So the left is B. Again for left is be D. So first enter the root node, coming to the left. In the left again, this is the root node. So enter this root and coming to the left. So this is D. So after left, it has to visit the right. Okay. Now it's coming to again here. So coming to this side. So here C is the root node. So first enter the C. So after root, it should be left, F. After that, right. So this is the path of the preorder. Now what is the algorithm for this? Algorithm. So we have to, until all nodes are traversed, you have to repeat the steps. Step 1. First visit root node. Step 2. Recursively traverse left subtree. So the second one is we have to traverse recursively left subtree. And step 3, recursively traverse right subtree. So this is preorder. Now coming to the next, post order. So the third strategy is the post order. So for post order, first we have to visit the left child. First left and then right. After that, root. So say take this, the same graph, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. And this is one subtree, left subtree, and this is right subtree. So here this first we have to visit left. After that, right. After that, root. Okay. So then what is the path for this? First we have to visit left. So coming to the left. This is left. D. After left we have to visit right. E. After that, root. B. Again coming to the left, complete left, this is F. Coming to the right, G. Coming to the root, C. And finally coming to A. So this is pre-order, post-order path. So algorithm. So algorithm we have to use until all nodes are traversed. First step 1. Recursively traverse left. Step 2. Recursively traverse right. And step 3. Visit root node finally. So this is post order. Okay. So these are the 3 strategies, that is traversal strategies: pre-order, in order and post order. Thank you.